Okay, you're at D2L. You're not going to see everything on my slide, but you should see your course right here. Click on the link. Now you're inside our class. On the right-hand side, you'll see the announcements and a description of who I am. Up at the top, you see different text, content, class list, etc. First thing we're going to go do is click on the list arrow by course activities. Go to assignments. You don't have any assignments that are due right now. Go back to the list arrow, click on discussions. Now you do have some discussions. You can scroll down and see the ones that are available. Right, let's go back up, click on the list arrow one more time, and click on quizzes. You can see that you do have access to different quizzes. Now, if you want to go someplace else, you can click on content. You have your menu on the left side. Scroll down. Anything that you see, any of these texts, those are links. And you can see that you have access to week 9 and week 10. Let's go into week 9. Here's your description of what you have to complete. Scroll down. All these blue text are links. So you can just click on those and just go all the way down and see the different information. Okay, now let's go back up to week 10 because that's also available to you. Click on that. And here's the week 10 outline. It tells you what you need to complete. Keep going down. You see blue links. Click on any of those and you have access. This information is available to all students in our class. Go back up to the top. You have your grades, course tools, click on that. If you want announcements, you could click on that. So go in to our course and explore it. I wish you success. Thank you for watching.